Now let's solve for x here, given x cubed minus 0.1 raised to 0 equals to 26. Solution. Now, understand that any non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. So we have x cubed minus 0.1 equals to 26. Therefore, x cubed minus 1 equals to 26. So we can add 1 to both sides. That will be x cubed. Okay, or we can bring this one in. X cubed minus 1 minus 26 equal to 0. So we have x cubed minus 27 equals to 0. So this one is behaving as sum of cubes, so difference of cubes. So x cubed minus 3 to the power 3, 3, 3, 9, 9, 3, 27. So now when you have a cubed minus b cubed, the same as a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so this one can be written as x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared. So 9 equals to 0. So with the 0 product, x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, the first answer is equal to 3. So we have the first answer. Let's move on as we proceed with the next two solutions. From here, x cubed 3x plus 9. So x squared 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Let's complete the square of this. X squared plus 3x equals to minus 9. So let's take half of coefficient of x all squared. That will be 3 on 2 all squared. So you add the result to both sides of the equation. X squared plus 3x plus 3 on 2 all squared equals to 3 on 2 all squared minus 9. So we have x plus 3 on 2 all squared equals to, so this side will be 9 on 4 minus 9. Okay, so x plus 3 on 2 all squared equals to, so let's put them together. 9 on 4 minus 9. So 9 on 4 minus 9. So the LCM will be 4. 4 here 1, 9, 4, 9, 4, 36. Okay, so we have 9 minus 36. Okay, that will be 27, minus 27. So minus 27 on 4. Okay, so let's go ahead as we take square root on both sides. So we have x plus 3 on 2 equals to plus or minus. So we have this. Let's reduce this one. So it's the same as minus 27 on square root of 4. Now we can change this one, okay, as plus or minus. square root of 27 times square root of minus 1 on square root of 4. Now, square root of minus 1 is the same as I. Okay, so we have that. So from here, x plus 3 on 2 plus or minus, so 27 the same as 9 times 3. So we have I, okay, on square root of 4, that's 2. So let's go again. So this side will be square root of 9 times square root of 3 times I on 2. So this side will be plus or minus 3 root 3 I on 2. X plus 3 on 2. So we have x equals to minus 3 on 2 plus or minus 3 root 3 on 2. So that will be minus 3 plus 3 root 3 on 2, or that will be x2, or x3 will be minus 3 minus on 2. So that's the third solution. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching.